Now we've got a series of non-medal events, as we do at the end of each evening session, or each session rather. Just gives them a chance to compete. They may not have been able to make their own particular race for one reason or another. So this will be the women's 50 meters butterfly. Lane 1, Naria Insopan of Thailand. Ao Mei Sun of Myanmar in lane 3. And we've got four Vietnamese in a row. Trinh Thi Bich Nu, who is a medal winner earlier on, in lane 4. V Thi Hang, also a medal winner, in lane 5. Du Thi Lan has also gone up on the podium. She's in lane 6. And Nguyen Thi Sa Ri in lane 7. So just the one starter in the pool, that's Nguyen. As we've seen, that automatically gives you a little bit of a disadvantage. It's a decent start in lane 1 from Naria Insopan. Still in the water. But it's Trinh who has the lead. Perhaps just ahead of Naria. Even though it's a non-medal event, you can hear the Myanmarese crowd going for Ao. Naria now in front, just ahead of Trinh. It'll be tight. Oh, now it's Trinh, I think, is just edged ahead, and Trinh will win this non-medal event, followed by Naria. And then V Thi Hang. Nothing at stake here, but good to get themselves into this pool, get them racing. They'll have other events later on. Naria was an S14, Ao Mei Sun S6, Trinh S6, V Thi Hang S7, Du Thi Lan SB6, and Nguyen Thi Sa Ri S6. So Naria would have the biggest advantage in theory. There's a start we talked about. It's a nice tight race, wasn't it, just towards the end. That's the first of 5 non-medal events.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the
6 non-medal events, rather.